Welcome to this audiovisual sound experience. Audiovisual, yeah, it's audio and visual, right? It's also sound. But this sound is coming from a mouth syllables, random, that doesn't mean anything specific. Don't mean any specific. Sorry for my English. I'm one beginner. Telephone rings. Let's pick up. It's okay. Random city sounds. I'll just. It's not really good. It's not really good, right? That was a really good performance. I felt it is mediocre, but mediocre is also right. Otaya Nick E. Otaya. Click on, click on, click on, click on, click on.